name is Franklin Name, and the full name is the Viewbird.
You got it, perfect.
She was really kind. She helped me a lot.
Perfect.
I mean, the first thing you can say is she helped me a lot with the decisions. I'm really picky with that, but she helped me a lot. I really love her. She helped my wife and I to choose the best option for us. This is amazing. It was amazing for my wife and I, the different options. You have really different options you can pick. It's the same like you build a Lego. The way that they talk to us, respectful, really, they really pay attention to everything, and when they understand, for example, how much we're gonna spend in the house, so it's easy for us to take the decision. So I think that's the best thing that Show Home has. It really, and the model of the homes is pretty. I already talked to my buddy about this. I told him I'm really pressured for the quality inside the houses. So I'm really see every details. So I'm a really picky person. So I saw the details and see, okay, this is the kind of person I really wanna work. So, so the quality, I really appreciate that. So that's something I take to others.
Yeah.